Alright YouTube, this will be our first video in the series. We're going to swap this big 360 for Mr. Randy Jeter into his, I believe it's an 89 or 88 model Dodge pickup truck. So it's a pretty clean truck. I'll put a picture up for you. And you'll be seeing it a lot in the videos, but he got this motor built out of Tyler, Texas. The company's called Mabco. You can kind of see there, they put their name on some of their freeze plugs, but we're gonna see how it runs. It's got a little hotter cam in it. Got a dual plane air gap style intake, and it's going in a truck. So he and I got the oil pan stuck on it today. He was able to come over and paint some stuff up for me, which I appreciate. Water pump's over here, just sitting on the tractor for a minute. But in the next couple days, I'm gonna have this stuck together totally. Everything's sealed up. But right now, I'm making myself an engine run stand, and I'm doing that just to be sure there's no problems with that motor. Also, you've been watching my other videos. I've been doing a 360 build, and I want to see my 360 run before I stick it in my Dodge Dart Sport. And it still could be a couple weeks before I ever get that car back from paint. So I want to get it together and get it running. But before I do any of that, I'm going to do this 360 swap. So y'all hang out and I'll show you what my engine stand looks like here shortly. Got Drew helping me out today, so finally get this thing running. Got to stick the plugs in. Headers are bolted on. It is full of oil. I still need to finish priming it. I'll show you that in a minute. I did enough that it came out of that fitting right there, so that was good. The oil pump is pumping. I just want it all the way up to the rocker really well. Water pump's on. This is just an old janky starter and bell housing that I had. I made this little engine stand. I kind of told you about that. I'm going to bolt his radiator up to it. What else? We got a little electric fan to go on that. Electric fuel pump for now. And I'm going to throw my just Edelbrock 600 on it to get it running. I know that's a good carburetor. Where he's got a new Holly that he wants that's never been touched before. I wanted something I could for sure get it started up with. So stay tuned. Yeah, so they'll know what's going on. We're gonna prime it, hopefully. Now look at the what you call it there. Let me know if it gets primed. Tell me what. About 40 almost. That looks good. Yeah. We got oil. Intermediate shaft. I got me a little Lucas oil mix. You know I'll be liking it. Yep. Pour a little on there. Pour a little on with you. There you go. Big screwdriver today. Why don't you get my close-up on here, man? I'm going to get a big screwdriver. No. Come on over the hill so you can see it. That's it. Now it's seated. Now the distributor will go into that. Swell. Here's what we're going to do. We got to mark that timing marker. We're going to make it pretty. Get a little camera action going here. We'll put a little tape on each side of it. Where's my close up, man? Killing me here. Killing me here.
You put it down, that's what she was doing.
Can't even get a cameraman. Now, got a little high performance Chrysler orange. Just need a little. Oh, not that way. That way. That's it. What are you laughing at?
Epic fail.
Booyah. That's it. Now we know. These people always forget these steps, man.
I got a close up of both oranges.
That's good.